Kwatochin eng logoiwek choto chebo Kasa TV chebo saini ne somanun kwane Bernard Tanoe. Kitaune county noto nebo Bomet ole kosubkei ak biik chetindoi kewelutik kobun Chepalungu eng county nebo Bomet. Ko akot ingandan kokikonyor toretosiek cheterter kochang kaimutik chutok kobune ako tom kokushikong serikali mising ko eng nguno kitokyingei kesoman budget nebo kenyini eng betutab mutai ko 4 kasi ko mitei sirindenyo Festus Rono eng kokwetab Chepkinoiyo eng Chepalungu ak alak eng biik chetindoi kewelutik cheterter chebo borto ole moche kwaror akobo magutikwai ak tuguk chemoche keteshi asikotoretok ichek eng budget noto kisomani eng betutab mutai ko 4 kasi. Ko Festus Rono ko tos ne magutik chemoche bichoto tindoi kewelutikab borto eng kebeberta bo Bomet.
Kongoi missing Bernard Tanoe imiten studio sechok ko yang kemwa man amiten en kokwet noton nebo Chepkinoiyo nemiten en ward noton nebo Konangasis en sub-county noton nebo Chepalungu en county nebo Bomet ole en betutab rani ko asikelchinet kemiten ak icheket biik chetindoi kamuget en kebeberta neter anan choton biik chetindoi kewelutik en borwekwak chemuche kityo somwowech icheket akobo koyan kemwa Bernard Tanoe kotindoi icheket kaimutik anan kewelutik chebune icheket kosubkei ak imuch kikonyor toretet en kebeberwek cheterter kobaten makisipchi ak ketoret icheket sikeker kele toretet nekanyor koimuch koboisien icheket konyor kelchinoik namoche sikeng'alal ak icheket komwa kityo ako nakemwa kora Bernard Tanoe ko en betutab karon anan mutai kasitab 4 kesomanu budget asikomwa icheket kotukukiib kerenywan ako tinye kamang'unet kole wendi kisuldoen budget noton komie anan wendi konyorunen kelchinoik budget noton nekisomanu karon cabinet secretary noton nebo treasury noton ko John Mbadi amaketuyen ak inendet nebo kecheret en biik chetindoi kewelinwek en borwekwak en sub-county nebo Chepalungu noton ko Anthony Terere asikomwa kityo en betutab rani katuiyo icheket officials kowo sub-county nebo Chepalungu arorwek kityo akobo betutab rani tuyet nekotinye betutab rani ak imwa kaimutik chobune akweket ko biik chetinye kewelutik en borwekwak.
Kongoi missing Festus kainet ko Anthony Arap Terere nebo ng'echeret en biik chemotinye kewelinwek en Chepalungu. Kongoi missing ko betutab rani ko kakituye biik chetindoi kewelinwek en borwekwak saiti ko kandoik sikeng'alal missing ine keteb anan keng'alal le yoche kesopten ko ki biik chetindoi kewelinwek en borwekwak. Ko netai missing ine ko anasom nabas missing awech kongoi missing en serikalit nebo county anan ko national en toretet nekikotoretech kokonech tuguk kora chesichon kokonech tuguk chekibunoti nebo oeng kora kokonech kora kikokonech kora mashinisiek chekiboisien anan chon kibore tools of trade ko mashinisiek chu missing kabisa kikeboiboenchi kobaten makosa agenge nemiten ko ngenam mashinisiek chuton ko moisip kabisa tuguk cheyoche ketoreten mashinisiek chu kou netai ngekonot kou mashinit nombo swetaisiek kobo konomtogei chito amun matindoi nabas anan matindoi kit nesiptoen boisionoton. Netai koyoche kobur en ko anan nebo oeng konam kwalda chito amun yekakeib mashinisiek choton ko mami chito nesibu konyokokere kole kaboisioito ano. Asome missing na serikalit amun kikoyai nemie kokonech kotoretech kokonech mashinisiek chuton ak kotoretech capital chekiboisien sikor komaru mashinit mabat kibich yon ikere kokakwalda osinye mabat kisait age ikere kikoruyoso nome kityo chito koboiboenchi mami kit nebo kotesen tai. Kongoi missing nebo oeng kora konan asom missing echek chekidisable ko kikesomonsen missing kisomanotin osinye amanon kityo somanotin kora lagokchok ko nan ibare isomote kasisiek kinam kelenchi memuche no ibare isom kasit one kisomonchis ongen ne kole kisomonchi lakini makonin kora boisiet kokeny kosirgei omwa siret mwa oten ngatutiet kole kitindoi 30% nebo boisionikchok anan ko 30% nebo resources kou rabinik ko nibare iteb choton ile bare kikemwa kele kitindoi 30% ko makikonin nabas amakichamunot kora ya choton. Nebo oeng kora ngeng'ololot kebare kakitil ki ot choton ngiale mashinisiek choton anan keprocure mashinisiek choton ko makinyoketebene kelenjech omoche ne nyose kityo kakial tuguk amakimwowech kelenjech omakyinigei mashinisiek aicho mara mi mashinit nekomakyinigei kor ibare kergei ko mashinit nemasomonchi kiasomonchi mara kiasomonchi welding mara kiasomonchi chombo cheranjisiek ko nan kekonin kit mara kekonin chebo saloon mesomonchi chebo saloon so yoche koteben kole ne kit neomakyinigei ko meng'ikab Bomet anan ko meng'ikab county ko makitebene kou non. Nebo oeng kora nan konyasin osinye kelelen kami public participation nganaset uyan otoin ko ngeng'olole chom chukobo CDF ko konyoiset kebore komiten sikoran komiono, lakini makimwoe kelenjechi makinyoru information neyamat kelenjech any obwan mi betut nekile neing'olol sikeib ng'alekchok. Kitinye ng'alek osinye ako kitindoi akichek ele kimoktoi, lakini makosa kityok ko makinyorwech ketebenech. Ndakinyorwech kabisa ketebenech kotomo malinai mondewech any budget. Nan kora konyosin kora kakonde budget. Lakini budget ini nibore isib kora budget niton ko maitie kora budget niton. Nyosin kora kebore kakonam chito nekaran anan kong'alin osinye age sait age kole konu certificate chebo company. Ikoitoi certificate. Lakini kor konyosin kora certificate ini ko kakobois o manyo kekurin. Bare inyortoi boisiet tun bare tesom besek bare kikobois certificate abare yoe ele kitop kole lakini kisome ne kotoretech koto kikitil kele miten 30% koyoiwech kou noton mat kobos. Das ngot komi 5% en ng'alekab CDF amun mi CDF ko mat kebos ine koik 5% choton au kone makitinye ng'al osinye mabatkei nan kinyoindosi ko kinyonyi amun maikonech oweche kolenjech osinye miten ndamalenjech mami ko makitebe lakini ngolenjech mi 5% chekwo akobare beteb koyoche kebolye mabatek sawa sawa.
Kongoi mising amache akinye imwa ng'olyon kaikas kit nekakomwa chairman noton Anthony Terere amache inye iteshi ng'olyon ak inye kosubkei ak niton inomen kaineng'ung.
Thank you Bwana Bestas ako kikurenon Jose Lang'at ak ayobu Kapkulumben Chebunya Ward. Kanyun akane ireyu asikobit amwa kora ele nyolu ketebten ak challenges chekibune. En inguni Bwana Bestas kebune challenges cheechen asa akot ko ng'alekab grupisiek, ng'alekab empowerment ko matakinyoru biik chetindoi kora kewelinwek en borwek anan kitongosoni besyo kelelen kimoche kerupchi rabisiek for example chon kikikoitoin en county ko makinyoru amun king'ololen ng'alekab CPO. Ko ngeng'alalen CPO ko makinyoru biik chetindoi kewelinwek cheite nambait nemoche sikor koik CPO. That is a challenge nekitindoi inonitet. Number 2 ingebendat kora en grupisiek kora chekitindoi ko kikitou grupisiek chonitet amamiten kora kit netesetai amun kimiten kityo en katuiyetabgei nematoretech chi. So kakisomany kora kele ingomukokse ne kekusikon kora bichutet chetindoi kewelinwek. Biik kora chetindoi kewelinwek asa kwana kekoi mandat nenywanet akichek ko mara kakiko kit at the same time kakiarorchi kele nyo kekono ki fulani konyo kiwis kora koker komosin amun makere kora chichitet. That is a challenge chekibune chekifeseni biik chetindoi kora kewelinwek en borwek. Nandabuchin ko nan kemwa kongoi amun korutechech ongoberurok Jehova Kasebem ak As TV kongoi mising.
Kongoi mising. Amache imwa Arap Korir en minitit agenge kityo imwa akinye budget nekokichobe nguni alan testat kesomanen betutab karon. Ikerte ano tos kokitestai tos kikikuro ak teben ak tuguk chomoche.
En kainutik kyuk kekuron Charles Korir abunu Nyongores Ward ami boundary nebo Bomet East ak Chebalungu. En iman kemwa Bwana Festus ile ikerton en budget. En budget iman ko makitesten ngamun makingen ot kele kokinde siling ata en budget initon. Ot en betutab karon ko budget ko makikere ko amun kokitesten makere kokonai sine kenai kele kokinde siling ata ako ne netesetai. Kit age notesyin en yoniton en ng'alekab Inua Jamii program ko walemavu en Bomet kotom kenyoru kabisa. Ingesire biik kemeto walemavu. Ngebat ko wardisiek inyoru en wardit agenge mara kesir biik 3 kekwo ng'any kele kilyan. Ako ninyoru kou boisiek chepyosok komi chechisye. Ako choton nyoru ko mamosokik ot alak. Kesome ne serikali minister nebo Labour kotokekerwech choniton. Ak ale sokeswany ko en ng'alekab basari en lagok chebo biik chemomuchegei kotom inyoru kokakinam lagochuton ak kikochi full scholarship. Kesome ne kotokekerwech chon. Ako ngelonjen tuguk kora ko mat kelonjen wheelchairs icheken boto tuguchu bo white cane. Ako ngelonjen tuguk kou non ko makakele kakimpoweren biik chemomuchegei kotokekerwech choniton non ko Korir en Nyongores.
Kongoi. Ko bana tonu isokesu kityo simayait mising ko in kotab legetyo. Amache akinye imwa kaineng'ung ak imwa ng'olyon kityo en 30 seconds.
Nana wei kongoi otokotin kabisa en koiton. Atonone akobo kamatik. Neta amwachini Jehova kongoi amun kakotoreto kokamwa ale otokotin. En komostab kamatik kenyoru challenges. Kinyoru challenges kabisa ko ki kamatik. Ingelot kakiba kerichek matin kimwoe kelelen kokinde SHA. Koyoche ketorta korok chepkamet nemnyoni missing ko netinye kewelindo missing ko chetinye kewelinwek ak chemokere ak in widows ketorto kabisa kebare tewe yoche keker kele kotoretok yoche keker kele kotoretok ak ichek okot kotoretok lagokwak asikobit kenyorunen kelchin ak echek kuwokwe matotimdoi soiti kabisa otoretech okot en sipitalisiek otoretech en somanet kongoi neo sikiberurok
kongoi missing ang'ololchang ng'alek kobaten ang'olol ng'alek chekakomwa okwek alak en okwek ko kakomwa kit nekotomwoe okwek tugul kimiten kora ak Arap Mutai ni mwalimu Mutai noton nekikoborchigei ng'alekab koker kole kanyor imanda bichuton makokochin nafas asikeng'alalen sait age en logoiwek chechok chebo saisiek alak ko benoton nui amiten en kokwet noton nebo Chepkinoyo nekaikas komwa icheket akobo kaimutik chebune kewelinwek chebune nekekas komwa agenge en ichek kole euten budget nekibendi kesomonu en betutab mutai komakiipchi komonut missing biik chetinye kewelinwek en borwekwak kekuron Festus Rono kong'eten kokwet nebo Chepkinoyo nemiten en ward noton nebo Kong'asis en Chebalungo en county nebo Bomet aweku soet Banatanui kuron Festus Rono.
Kongoi missing Festus Rono konoto ko sirindenyo eng county nebo Bomet. Festus Rono ko ng'ololinyo ak biik chetindoi kewelutikab borto missing ko magutikwai chemoche keyochi eng kasarta netetat kesoman budget nebo kenyini eng betutab mutai kwang'wan kasi eng bunge nebo emoni. Kotakemitei ak tondenyo noto ko Joanna Kamilan ole moche komwoiwech kityo akobo Kamilan kotomo keachunden imande ko tos ne nekiyai neo nekosege nekiyochi biikab Transmara ak Narok komugul ako ne netieme iyai ako ne nekonin kasimchinet noton nebo iyai boisionichu tugul.
Number one, amache kimi tabusiek ako tesetai tabusiek kidogo en kasar age kitoege ng'alekab kap KWS kiatoret biik eleo nea ibo tuguk alak chekiriben tiong'ik namba aeng amun kasarta nenwach oin komi sukulit nebore Serewek nekiyai ketiyo koningei biikab Murko Degree ak chebo Kilgoris kokobetyo lookab biik lakini keyai network ak choronokchu kidogo owe baka yoton lakini kokitech sukulit bwana Serewek nebo 57 million neyoche kokestagei lookab mokorek tugul yoton. Number 3 kit nekomoche osom kora miten sukulisiek alak any mutu terter mama sikoiman biik kole ngwek ninyo chomoche oker asoborchi choronok alak chechuk asiketech tekanambo Serewek so ane any enia nenyun ako biik cheng'olole NGOs che choronokchuk ako chemoche ki really momoche lembeita. Number 3 kit agenge en yon nebo somok kinotoreti bichu jamii nebo Kalenjin tugul asa chemi Narok cheminje ko niotonone ak bororiet keborchinigei kele kobur biikyok ak malikwak en oretab kalyet ak advice serikali ale ingoik number 1 en echek biik chekitinye kecheret nguni ni emet kimandaen okolochu cho koba inji sa inje kochek rabisiek sinyokwal mbarenik simabur biikyok koik customaek cheoldoi kityo noto kinomoche atoret oking'olole ako ndoindet kokona nafas president kokona kecheret nebo maana nemuche keng'alalen ak ketoreten emet akere ale kisiptoi jamii nenyon kwo barak. Mautien kora akat biik chebo olimbo Kondamet chebo Ang'ata Ulon chemi oldo Nyorok chemiten Murko Tigir kotar olombo Jackson Soit mautien akat biikyok ak tabusiek chemiten Mau baka chomiten olievi Mauchi baka Laikipia mautien akat biikyok chebo Pokot shidaisiek chon akose otinye chebo tuga baka biikab Baringo baka biik chombo Keiyo amache asomo kityo kole baka Merkwet amache kibur ako amache asomany kora en yon pole en kikobek ine lakini amache asom pole akakat chito nekabirwon simoit nguni mamache amwa ale ing'o ichaman Arap Lang'at miten kit nekokele Machilil Dalaek ako okasan ini kokele Machilil Dalaek en ndoloindet kora nekoik bahati mbaya kobar biikyok nekibo Triot en Merkwet ele kimeita Kipsigis ko kikang'et kandoikab Kipsigis nemire mwoe jamii nenyon tisab kotakosikyi meet non kokosom biikab Talai ole matobe oker korotikab botriot ak kole kimin ng'olyo no maunoto ko nekomoche asom ale ongei mutyo ak onge ng'alal amun biikab talai komokemoe takuseng meet biikab bororienyon so muda kityo nokere kityo ole kakabanan chichi sikonon kasar betut age kongoi bikyok tugul chebo kalenjin asante kainet ko Joanna Kamilan
kongoi noto ko tot nekakitindoi Joanna Kamilan nebunu kebeberta nebo Transmara nekakomwa ng'alek chechang choto chebo bandab tai kokitesetai ko kanyor kasarta neui minista nebo ripsetab kalyet eng emet orit Kipchumba Murkomen yekangowalu tebutik kobun senators kotinygei ak baretab Albert Ojwang nekoibet sobet yekongoratat eng keteshetab police nebo Central eng taonitab Nairobi ole kamitei Murkomen koboto Inspector General nebo Police Douglas Kanja nekanyor akine kasarta neui yekangowalu tebutik kotinygei ak kit nekiipchi kobet sobenyi Ojwang kaibor kaimetab kei senators kotinygei ak baretab chichotok kikinam eng Homa Bay ak kimut akoi taonitab Nairobi ak kotinygei ak nemwaat kele kisir logoiwek chebo lembech eng social media kotinygei ak boisionikab police mising ko Deputy Inspector General nebo Police Eliud Langat koyomis Murkomen ak Douglas Kanja kole kiyoe chikilishet nebo barak netokchinigei kenai imanda kotinygei ak kit nekotestai kot kobet sobet chichoto ole kamwa kole mabitu kalotunet age tugul eng chikilishonoto.
The National Police Service deeply regrets the unfortunate events that resulted in the death of Mr. Albert Ojwang while in police custody. The service extends its sincere condolences to the family and loved ones of the deceased during this difficult time. In line with our commitment to accountability and transparency, the service pledges full cooperation and support to the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, as they undertake a thorough and independent investigation into the matter.
Mr. Speaker, the tragic death of Mr. Albert Ojwang while in police custody has deeply pained the conscience of our nation. Parents have lost their only child, and I acknowledge this not as an isolated issue, because one life lost, Mr. Speaker, is under such circumstances like Ojwang is a life too many. Mr. Speaker, I am, as a parent, as a citizen of this republic, and as the person with the responsibility of presiding over this important ministry of government, Mr. Speaker, it is regrettable that such an act happened in our nation, particularly in the hands of the police officers. Mr. Speaker, I'd like to send my personal condolences to the family of Mr. Albert Ojwang, to his father, to his mother, to the wife, to the only child, Mr. Speaker, and the entire family, and to promise them that, Mr. Speaker, as a government official, I will cooperate, I will put every effort within my ministry to ensure that justice is served to this family, and, Mr. Speaker, that those who were involved in this action, Mr. Speaker, will be punished severely so that it becomes an example that, Mr. Speaker, such an act should not happen within a police custody. Mr. Speaker, I know this is not an isolated issue. The issue of police brutality has been part of our national discourse for far too long.
Yekitestai kotetei serikali kotech laboratories cheite 1,600 kong'ete arawet nenyonei eng emet komugul eng chopchinetab kei nebo somanetab grade 10 eng kenyit nenyonei, kamwa Principal Secretary nebo somanet Professor Julius Bitok nekong'ololi eng ketesiet noto nebo Kass FM International ak Kass TV eng tetutiet nebo lene emet kole tindoi maket serikali koker kole kaisulda somanetab grade 10 eng oret nemie ole kacher sigik kochobokis eng somanetab grade 10.
Kitou ketinye labs kokemapen emetab Kenya ketinye 1,600 schools chetii school chekuto ketou chematinye labs kokilechi ke nguno ngete 1st of July.
Okay.
Arawan nyone. Kemeche ketech for the next 3 months. Those labs kungutu tarehe 1 January. Ko agetech 1,600 labs. Moge procurement le national. Ke procurement in sugul. So jakta kasinoto. Kijing local contractor through the board of management ke coordinator national gitu. Ke yoktara bishaki ke te sugul. Ke te lab. Ke agishan gila ka upit lab within the next 3 months. Agu mugukse. Kunge in 18,000 classes. Komage live in Nairobi ngalega procurement. Kogi go every school nafas. Kojeng the local contractors acquire from there. Agi go get your sub-county directors of education ko supervise the project. So jakta. Ko very efficient. Amu go job 18,000 classes ko go World Bank 13,500 ko 4,500 ko go serikali. Ko go jakta project ta kapsa ko deliver classes for junior school in record time within 6 months ka go proctorize to 18,000. Ko 1,600 labs we are going to carry the same. Ko ngaliota bin parents preparedness ko ga majam wale Kaukas kumni ule ngalega CBE kugitaga 2012.
Yes.
And it is a journey. Yes. Ajek tole ko a learning process. Some of the things you nguno care for the first time. And ki confident from the ministry. Kele we are doing the right thing. Ke kita mama. Tore to big up Kenya. Ugamajo encourage wasasialeji in ongi wogen the journey. Ugamajo ramwa mbolu ni chagongo. Amu mwalimu ni kwa kazi kabisa. Koiro nguno yin wasase mwalimu ni. Amu koiro yin ngalega CBC ko jin gora responsibility mzazi. Ko sabote lakwe. Ingi link system ni kibata ni. Ko yo metoje lagi tu mwalimu. Lakini ni gire le mi kini gure shared responsibility. Wendi ko na lakwe mwalimu au kaja assignment. Ngoit ka ulini. Kule ji ngup wolia. Ngup ko giru msasi ngene. Tukchu. Igiri le mi a lot of shared responsibility and yes. Competence. That's why I call it, this system is the best in the world because kanyor nguna tripartite arrangement. Lakwete, mzazi, au mwalimu. Kimi pamoja. Sige mole lakwete.
Okay.
Igiri ageni kijitu role ni. Nikitorti lakwete. Oi. Ko in ngaleta capitation ko gagamwa.
Yes.
Ole capitation kama ko bida challenge kidogo mu in sometimes commit delay. Kiki nagija grabisha kolia. Ka collect and treasury from the taxes.
Yes.
Ko ya mairi agero kachelewan kidogo. Ko mutom ko jirabishek chigimiji. Tom ko jirabishek chigimiji ngulimba chigimiji ke okto. Mo ko ni rabishek nusu treasury. Ko lazima ureje ogen. Ko amaja olejin malumu ni choge ki everything possible. Ka gishan kele kite capitation on time. O ga mo ale give me 60%. So magi aje. Despite the pressure. Of the 1/3 of the budget ko education ko giltin ke sarkali kapsa ko rise ko gilkile ne rise ke pori kapsa kot kolia kot kojula ko amiyata rabito ke gasin kot kolile jarab sabane.
Okay. Yes.
Tebuti kimiten studio sana go bunugo ne tigrani tebuti ko boto sigiga michina katep ko ngalega be hardship go kagmwa indogele much ko malo kista joglen hardship allowance agingele miten counties and sub counties enga che imuche go miten olawi ko kanetik chechang mo gele what is the fate ne bangoliondo ni be hardship allowance
Ago wendi county no ne Elgeyo Marakwet bwana PS ne ingen bigolo ye korom kasarta ga tugul ke ngalale agobo uinda nekikwai ko wait missing konyorchigei kanetik chekane wendi kanetindet kenyit agenge na posten commander ko jeng gold aga so mangen ale ne gonu singap kotebi atya kele kamach keisto hardship allowance
Triza ag boss out ebana ngaliat hardship allowance ko in kamaja mo le kiga obita proposal nebo harmonize ngalega hardship allowance lakini kingo kun proposal not again prime cabinet secretary about 2 months ago
yes
koma iko kun changamoto kile yogi serikali kimeje tege consultant stakeholders
yes
amuinge tile public participation ko very important ingala ngalia sa ingi menu ko kama ja shuan en molmuini akpe to ko leji kitesa taike consultant
okay
yes and their views ko important kemekeni the final decision ngalek ab hardship allowance. Ako this hardship allowance ne ngolole kumakimeche ke inconvenience anybody.
Yes.
Makimeche ke aikita ne mutai kukakong'em oldage. Kimeche ke koshine tugul kelechi ke criteria ke ne kiboisie kungiro. Ako ne yanat across the board. Yes. Amu liu sahi emet ko different government agencies ko judge ko classify hardships differently. Ko kamaja amwa le ngolion noto ko tukumi consultation. Ako ki opening proposal. Ko ki Ministry of Education.
Ketesetai ko kakokoito kurset serikalitab Kenya koityi emotinwekab Afrika korobke eun eng tokyinet nebo kekirinda chobet ak kayaptaetab karikab luget chemengechen eng Afrika kong'ololi eng tuyet nekakiyai anan nekayai kibagengeit nebo Regional Center on Small Arms nekakiyai eng taonitab Nairobi kokamwa minister nebo ribsetab kalyet eng emet orit Kipchumba Murkomen kole mito barak chongindab karikab luget chemengechen chemoiyonotin cheboisie chelesosiek eng kasuldaetab chorset ak baretab biik ak yautik alak chebo chelesosnotet eng emotinwekab Afrika ak kounoto komagat kotuyogei emotinwek choto eng kirindaetab letaetab karichoto mengech asimatestai kokon asenet.
The Small Arms Survey estimates that there are approximately 100 million small arms circulating on the continent, a significant portion of which are illicit. These weapons fuel conflicts, enable crime, and perpetuate human rights abuses, undermining the fabric of our society and our communities.
The study underscores that we face a new era of weapons, manufacturing and trafficking techniques, which challenge our traditional control measures. It is a wake-up call that we must redouble research, information sharing, and law enforcement collaboration to detect and prevent the spread of these unconventional weapons.
There are conflicts, intercommunal conflict, and in the process, it becomes very easy for guns to move from one country to the other. And that is why we have adopted a regional approach to be able to address those concerns.
As a continent and as a region, we have the best opportunity to revitalize this institution in a manner that will be fit for purpose for these times, for the changing times, as the ED said about the AI and many other advanced technologies, including drones, that makes it difficult to deal with these challenges, but also easier for us, because with the availability of this technology in the hands of government, it will be easy for all of us to combat these challenges.
20 years is such a long time. A lot of things have changed, and we want to be real to those changes, as well as the challenges that we continue to face on account of small arms and light weapons. As days go by, we continue to have gaps in funding because of competing demands, and we are calling upon our member states to look at how to sustainably fund the operations of REXA.
Ngebagwe county nebo Nakuru ole kakecher biikab emoni kosoman ak kokuyo ng'atutik asikonai imandanywa eng kasarta nekakinam ak imut kapkirwok, kamwa Peter Wuko kobun kibagengeit nebo Crime C-Power kole kikotestai ng'emetab imandab kipkosobei kosubkei ak nemaingen biik chechang akobo ole boisieitoi ng'atutik ak kounoto komagat kokuyo biikab emet akobo ng'atutik asimakiwech imandanywa. Ko nginyoru report notok kobun sirindenyo eng taonit noto nebo Nakuru, Dennis Kipchirchir.
Eng igorata kakya eng korkoret nebo Nakuru Main Prison nekaindochi kibagengeit nenaat ko Crime C-Power ak korkoranotok eng kamang'unet anan graduation nebo kimondororinik chekinetkei akobo ng'atutik ko katindoi kasarta kobor kanetutik-kwak chebo kapkirwok.
Properly contrary to Section 295 as read with Section 296(1) of the Penal Code. Desmond Peters. Yes, Your Honor. Siku yako ya
Takimwachi biikab emet kokuyo akobo ng'atutik chebo emoni chechoto koribe icheket eng kotugul.
Wakenya wengi wajui kuna sheria inawalinda ya kuwa hata haufai kupigwa kibare na karao.
watu wengi hawajui. So tumenormalize ya kuwa hata nikipigwa kara kuna haki kunipiga. Kara wenyewe pengine hata wajui hiyo sheria iko ya kuwa unapopiga mtu just take him to civil court. Atafungwa ama atapigwa fine. So I want Kenyans to read from today Persons Deprived of Liberty Act.
That we usually organize open days during which members of the public are invited, all stakeholders in the administration of justice are invited. We exchange views. They are also educated. Civic education goes on during that forum.
Tamwa commissioner nebo prison inotok Gerald Gashunge kole testai kolonye barak kaitetab kimondororinik chekiitito yotok ako kesishek chekimwoitoen icheket ko kesishek chebo nyerset.
The population is rising every day and it is becoming a concern because looking at the population that we are having today, a big percentage of them are charged with sexual offenses.
The paralegal model comes to actually deal with some of the gaps in our justice system. We have quite a number of gaps in the justice system, and those gaps actually contribute to the reason why we have prisons which are so congested.
Alak eng kimondororinik chotok ko kaimuch konyorchigei icheket certificate chebo kanetishet ako kamwa kole kanetishet nekonyor kwendi kotoreti eng ngalekab kapkirwok kasarta nekaiwang icheket kerkong'eng'wa.
Kwa kweli nimeshukuru kwa leo kwa kupata hiyo certificate, na pia mimi mwenyewe nitajitolea kwa kusaidia ndugu zangu hata nikitoka hapa, pia pale nje jamii wale ambao hawajui sheria, kwa kuwa ni wengi hawajui na tunapitia changamoto mingi pia pale nje, tutaweza kuwasaidia.
Niko kwa my 10th year hapa Nakuru Main Prison. Kesi yangu ni ya mada na haikuwa mzuri. End of it all, mimi nilipata paralegalism 2018 with the Legal Resource Foundation. They taught me and nilifurahia mafunzo. One, mada cases huwa tuna representiwa, but mimi knowledge nikipata si mimi. There's a community behind me. We are 1,600. So mimi nikipata 1,600 imepata.
Kongeteke county nebo Nakuru logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Deni Kipchirchir.
Ketesetai ko eng kasarta netetat kesoman budget nebo kenyini eng betutab mutai kwang'wan kasi eng bunge nebo National Assembly kosomanu minister nebo rabinik John Mbadi kotesetai kokonu kerutik kwai biikab emet kotinygei ak budget inata ak tuguk chemache keteshi eng budget inoto bo kenyitab 2025 akoi kenyitab 2026. Alak eng meng'ik chekakokon kerutik kwai ko meng'ikab Chepseon eng Ipkelion East ole kakokon ng'alalenywa kotinygei ak budget noto kole kikose ng'alalenywa akobo budget noto bo kenyini nekisomane eng betutab kwang'wan kasi.
Ane ko Sami Bett, overall chairman Ipkelion East. Expectation nenyonet eng ng'alekab budget koron kesomen ne ak kekose ntangeorun kekose budget ini ko taxes chemi komostab boda kokakirorok ko kikere kele kokakisor hasolaek, kakisor bichu bo boda kinde taxes komostab boda akoi nguni depositen boda siibu ko 56,000. Imagine from 15,000 kingetokebesen yenda raini kebesendoen 56,000 of which makisor hasolayat nebo boda ng'alekab mwanik kisome president ak kisome parliament nenyonet koker ng'alekab mising tokoron tocheni ng'alekab mwanik kokororok kobwa akot paka 150 alan ot ko 140 alan ko 130 kekuren katambwane serkalini nekikikuren mama mboga ak boda. So yon tom kechor budget en komosta netinye icheket ko sector nebo boda kotom kesorwech ako tom kotambwane serkalit. So kwa chairman expecteni tuguk chechang o tugukab imbar, tuguk alak tugul chenomegei ak mwananchi nebo kawaida ne normal kekose kele tangomi koron ko kakechor. Akere ale serkalini kotindoi only 2 years sikomanda. Ko ngot kotestai kouni aiye ko 2027 komoe koui kasit. So amache ale serkalini kokerech ko ki wananchi.
So en kainutik kekurenon Eric Karamoge, ameng'indetab koroniep Chepseon Kipkelion East. So expectation nenyu nebo budget nebo koron asome parliament ak rais koker kole kaindewech ng'weny tuguchu kimach kebununchi kouen en kasarwek chukakoba ako kwakere kokakomakoya mising. So kit ne asome amache kowek ngweny tuguchu asikonyor chito nekikikuren asola. So amwoe ng'alekab mbar, tuguk chebo mbar komakiyach konye. So asome ale kotakowek ngweny tuguchoto bo mbar. Ng'alekab sukaruk ak ne sikobit koityi asolayandani. So asome budget nebo karon koib manane ne akobo echek biik chemi ngweny ireu. Amache kenyorun tuguk, kenyorun susindo nebo tuguk ak keboiboenchi serikalit nekitinye nguni. So asome rais en yu kosech alenji itustuswech budget ini. So buchu komami ng'ala kisochini kora serikalit nito.
Kakibwoti kityo en budget nemiten raini nekisomonu en karon ko kakisome president uwan komach kong'wanit uchumi kidogo. So kakisome kele ng'alekab VAT kou kial pikipiki ko kokomach kouit. Kokoit olimbo 1200 pikipiki kesome iboswech. Haya nebo oeng kora ak budgetisiek chu ko kora koyoche iboswech amun kong'wanit iman uchumi. Kokaikai ngemwa imanit. So president ikose koibo kutit konyolu isorwech. En budget niton yu osomoni nebo 40 trillion konyolu oker ole kakisopchi biikab Rift Valley, biikab Kalenjin ak biikab bodaboda in jumla. So konoto president kisomin somenyon tugul isomoni bilinon ko oker ole koboswech inei tuguk kokechilake. Kongoi.
Ami chepseut neniane ane korotur kasit wei karibu arawet bwana korone president akochengwech kasisiek en olon akobosyi mwanik biik chebo pikipiki akot chebo tinga.
Kokechilake kidogo. Siku hizi ngiai ko keshinge rabinik chekisich tuget moitot ki moketinye saving. Sebwech inei boswech mwanik inei kisome nobo mwanik.
Nibuch oret akere mi
oret ko kararan oret kabisa ko chobwech kong'eten oretab Chepson koindewech lam ne kikere kararan.
Kesome president nenyonet ko ki wana bodaboda en betutab siku hizi ko kikoek kali uchumi kotiengei ak ng'alekab mwanik ko kali kabisa makenyoru ki en betutab raini kotiengei kikobunchi raini chekenyoru kikobunchi loan. Ng'alekab loan ko kikoek kali. Imagine raini siku hizi bodaboda kialen 200,000 en ng'alekab loan. Kibare kibwat ko makenyoru makatiat nekibe kwa gaa. Angeitite gaa raini ketebene kelenjech miano sikaruk miano ne. Ko mami tuguk chekeibe koba gaa man. Ko kiwana bodaboda kesome president nenyonet tokoboswech mwanik.
Ngemi kora kouni kiasoleni kouni kenobone bikosiek kekose tokiboswech tuguk alak. President nenyon kisomin oret kabisa. Ko ki vijana uni simaki kora idling soiti kekase oteboswech kora tuguk alak simakichilak kora mising. Budget kora nekisomonu en karon kesome president kabisa kele si taiboswech tuguk alak simatkoik kali kora tuguk soiti ako torot ngebendi kora gaa olin koatilisot mae family achek tuguk chechang chang mahitaji kora chekemoche ot en gaa olin ngap kinyakibur en oret kou noni tor kora manyoru tuguk ko tor uon kakiait kityo tuguk chekikoito en duket komator ot kenyoru kelchin ono kiibot koba gaa tuguk kidogo ot yeu sukaruk kora taibosot kidogo tuguk chechang kora ko ui nguni ako nguni elemi kora Kenya ko otebsi koik kali tuguk kebos kora tuguk alak sikeityin kora biik chekemi ngweny. Chang biik chemi ngweny chemoityin ot kora kwal ot tuguk. Makatiatab betut nguni ko ui nia ui kabisa yoche ot keboswech tuguk alak. Kero Mr. President toretech en oret kabisa iboswech tuguk alak.
Kobune ng'wonindo neo familia nebo Edward Kipchumba Terer nekiboisie eng sipitalitab Sambalat Hospital kou lab technician nekibet eng oret nemakinai ole moche ichek serikali kotoret icheket eng chengsetab lakwenywa asi komeng'is ak ichek akoistochi koimutyonoto bo chengset ak ng'wonindo nebo chengsetab werenywa.
Nakanja zaidi tunamwambia we Murkumuni, we mtoto ya huko, mtoto ya Endo, tunakujua we, naelewa kama mambo iko namna gani, unaelewa hii area hii ni mbaya, area hii mbaya, na unaelewa na watu wako. Mbona tumeenda mali yote serikali wananyamaza, asemi Hata tulienda kupiga ripoti huko, asemi hakuna, wananyamaza tu. Kwa hivyo tunakuomba hiyo, tunakuomba kwa maana sisi tumesumbuka sana, na inajua mtu akipotea haijulikani iko wapi. Basi kama amekufa ameua, basi mtapatie sisi tushika hiyo mtoto wetu, kama mnyinyi mnaona amekufa na nani alimaliza. Tunataka wale walishika na ni nani. Niyo.
Is Augustine Limo. I am the younger brother to Edward Kipchumba Terel, my elder brother. He is a medical laboratory technologist who has been working in Elgeyo Marakwet, Sambalat Tot, over the last almost 14 years. I was called on Monday, 2nd of June, at 3 p.m. that my brother has been abducted and put in some armored vehicles in Sambalat, in the clinic that he was working at called Hope Clinic. And we are told that he was taken with some other medics, and in that night they were able to release one of them, who is the owner of the clinic, Mr. Nicholas Umai, and another one in the morning near Endo, another one called Hilary. But my brother, who is our elder brother, has not been found. He is missing up to now, and we don't have any official communication from the government or from any authority telling us that we have your brother. We reported to Tot Police Station under OB number 10-04-06-2025 at 17:34 hours. And it is shocking that even on Sunday, when we wrote in the Nation, the county boss, that is Mr. Mulinge, Elgeyo Marakwet police boss, says that there is no official complaint that has been made, and up to now we don't know where our brother is. We have not heard of anything from any help, and we have visited even Iten, the DCIO office. They are saying they don't know anything. We have asked even the county commissioners. They say they are not aware of any operations.
Kebagwe County nebo Elgeyo Marakwet ole kakotoi kibengeitab Child Welfare Society of Kenya tetutiet nebo roptaitab amitwogik koityi sukulishekab day schools eng sub-county nebo Keiyo South ak Mogotio eng Baringo County. Tetat konyor keljin kobun tetutionotok lagok cheite 10,000 asi komuch kotestai ak somanet eng oret neititaat. Konginyoru report notok kobun sirindenyo eng kebeberta nebo Iten, Andrew Kimeto.
Kaimutiet neo neweche somanetab lagokab sukul ko rarunetab amitwogik kosubkei ak kemeut neibe kasarta nekoi eng kebeberwek alak chebo emoni eng kila kenyit. Kosubkei ak kaimutyonoto kokotoi serikali tetutiet netokchinigei baetab lagochoto bo sukul, mising ko chebo day schools eng county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet ak county nebo Baringo kobun kibengeitab Child Welfare Society of Kenya.
The reason why we chose to assist this county of Baringo is because one is an ASAL county where sometimes there is no food in families, and two, there being no food, it means even children would drop out of school. But since the rollout of the program, there has been tremendous improvement.
That one has really assisted the scholars in terms of not being sent home for fees.
Kotinygei ak kibengenoto kong'ong kole angot kokibai lagok eng sukul kowendi kokochini noto boroindo kipsomaninik kong'et eng sukul atkai tugul.
When the food is available, then it will keep our students in school throughout. And then the other one is that it has also brought down something like absenteeism, because when they are sent home for fees, some may go there and stay for long.
These students have been going home many times for lunch fee. But since you people gave us this food, they have not been going to home for fees. We've never sent them for fees, especially for lunch fee, because of we have enough food. They eat kiberi, they eat ugali, even lunch time. They also eat rice and ndengu, and they are very healthy.
Eng kebeberta nebo Keiyo South eng Elgeyo Marakwet County ak Mogotio eng Baringo County ole testai tetutyonoto kokonyor toretonoto koitetab kipsomaninik 10,000.
I want to take this time to say thank you for
the donating of the food that you have given out to us, and what we promise is that we will work hard on our education.
Asa hii chakula vile mimi naona tunapikiwa vizuri, ni tamu sana, inatusaidia sana. Asa sisi wanafunzi imerahisisha masomo yetu kwa sababu tungekuwa tunafaa kwenda nyumbani kula chakula, but instead ya hiyo tunakaa shule na tunakula. Sasa imetuwezesha, yani imerahisisha masomo yetu kwa simple. At least mtu una stress ya njaa.
Tetat kitokyi tetutyonoto kebeberta nebo Nyanza amu chechang eng familia kobun kebeberata kobune kaimutikab beekab maranet nekikoyai kobit rondab amitwogik. Kong'ete county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Andrew Kimeto.
Eng leta ko kakoboibochi Principal Secretary nebo Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises MSMEs Susan Mangeni kaditab benki nebo Absa Business Credit Card eng mwaet kole wendi komuktechin chemung'arainik chemengechen ak cheechen chebo MSMEs konyor rabinik chekonoptoen mung'arosiekwai. Wendi kadinato komuktechin chemung'arainik konyor besenwogik cheliboni eng oret ne nyumnyum, kit newendi kokonoptoi mung'arosiek choto bo MSMEs eng emetab Kenya. Ole kamwa benkitab Absa kole tindoi maget noto nebo koker kole katoret chemung'arainik chemengechen ak cheechen kokanapta mung'arosiek kwai asikotoret eng kanaptaetab uchumi ak bandab tai nebo emet.
And in a bid to enhance business readiness for MSMEs, their resilience, and to work hand in hand with entrepreneurs, today we are excited to announce the launch of the Absa Business Credit Card partnership with Visa, a game changer in the financial sector. The Absa Business Credit Card is not just a payment tool. It is a powerful financial solution designed to empower businesses by enhancing cash flow flexibility, enabling businesses to transact locally and internationally, ensuring better expense management, and allowing exclusive Visa business discounts and travel benefits. This launch is a sign of our continued commitment and investment in MSMEs by providing financial solutions that are inclusive and impactful. We remain steadfast in our collective commitment to empowering key sectors that drive economies because we believe in empowering Africa's tomorrow today.
As a global leader in digital payments, Visa's mission is to connect the world through the most innovative, reliable, and secure payment network, enabling individuals, businesses, and economies to thrive. Together with Absa Kenya, we are proud to launch the Visa Business Credit Card, a product designed specifically with SMEs in mind.
The MSME are very critical, not just to Kenya, but to the world economy. I know here in Kenya, our contribution to GDP is about 40%, but we are still behind the global average of 60%. Many countries that are developed, like US, like most of European countries, German, France, all of them are SME powered. Most of them are SME powered. So SMEs are very integral because they contribute to most jobs in an economy, and above everything else, that's the reason why we keep on innovating, because they come up with ideas and they keep on, changing the world. So it's a great honor to join you today for this impactful forum. I commend the Absa Bank Kenya and Visa Kenya for organizing this event and for your unwavering support to MSMEs across the country. As the government, we are implementing bold and deliberate reforms to unlock MSMEs' growth.
Ko ako yotok ko kageit let eng logoiwekab emet ak tetutietab mashinani nebo betutab raini ko somok kasi tarik 11 arawetab 6 kenyitab 2025. Koni komite tuwai kwane Bernard Tanwe amakon kit age tugul nemie testai iger Kass TV amu kimnotet naet.